To enable step counter and add a pedometer to the home screen on a Samsung Galaxy A37, what you can do is you can find the Samsung Health app, which you can find, for example, in the Samsung folder in the app drawer. You want to press and hold your finger on the Health app and then choose Widgets. Once we go to Widgets, then in here we should be able to find the steps counter over here, the pedometer. You can choose whichever one you wish to use. So let's say I'm going to use this 4x1. You want to press and hold your finger and then drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. You can, of course, adjust the size of the widget as well if you change your mind about the size of the widget. And we need to tap on the widget in order to, of course, set up the Health app if you didn't do that before. In this case, it is pretty straightforward. You just have to follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. So you want to tap on Start. You may need to grant some permissions and allow certain notifications. There we go. Then the setup is, like I said, quite simple. You're going to choose what do you want to focus on. I'm just going to choose overall health. I'm going to go next, and I'm going to press Start. Now, in your case, you might need to go through additional settings since I already set up my account in the past. In your case, you will have to probably go through additional steps. But once you, of course, go over here, if you see allow access to alarms and reminders, of course, here it is used to count your steps. So in this case, I'm going to tap on settings and we need to allow the permission. All right, then we're going to jump to the steps menu. And generally speaking, that should be all. We should be able to have the widget working now. But of course, if you want to, you can go to these steps. And in here, we can set the target, or we can compare your steps and so on and so forth. And if you open the Health app, then you can tap on the 3 dots here on the right side and to go to settings. And then in here, if we go to, let me actually try to find it. I'm not sure where it was exactly. Okay, my bad. So it was not in settings. Actually, over here in the Health app, you can find the steps menu in here as well. So in case you cannot open the steps menu for some reason by tapping on the widget, then you can just go to the app in here and you should be able to scroll down to find the steps counter in here as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.